This is Avinash Sharma, and in this video, we will discuss the packages in R language. First of all, we check what is the package. In this diagram, you can see we have a library. It's like a container, and in this container, we have the multiple packages. So right now, we have only the 4 packages: the string package, math package, custom package 1, and custom package 2. It means in the library, the name of the package always are the unique. Secondly, each package might have the multiple functions. Suppose we check string package, and the string package might have the functions for manipulating the string, like the concat, adding the two string, search, searching the substring, and then the trim, trimming the space from the string. These kind of function the string package might have. Math package for manipulating the numbers. Suppose you want to calculate the absolute value, or you want to calculate the say cosine value, or round value, or square root value of the numbers. Then we can use this math package. Custom package 1. It means we can create our own package. We can create our own functions in a package. So right now we have the two packages: custom package 1, custom package 2. And in the custom package 1, we have the some functions, function 1, 2, 3, then calculate again. In the right, there is a calculate. So this is not allowed, because the name, according to the naming convention, the function name of the package must be the unique. But the same function name might exist in another package. If we check the custom package 2, so we have the function 1, and the function 1 we have custom package 1. So this is possible. The function 1, function 2, and the function 3. Then calculate 2 and calculate 2. Again not allowed, because this is a duplicate in the same package. So this is how the packages are available in the R language. Now we check how to see the package available in the R Studio. So in this window we have the third option, that is the files, plots, and package. If we click this package, then we have the list of the package available in the R language. So this is the system library. System library means these packages are predefined or inbuilt from the R language. And you can also see some packages are checked. It means these packages are already loaded in the R language. You can, as I told you, like you can attach or detach the package from the R language. Suppose base package. These are the by default. This base package is loaded with the R language, but you cannot detach this base. If I try to uncheck this one, then I get a message: detaching package is not allowed, package base. So we cannot detach this base package. This is the mandatory or must package. But if I try the say the data sets, this one, so the command is successful and the package has been detached. Now if we check say how many packages are loaded, so by default, then search. So these are the packages. Now if I like uncheck say package graphics and say uncheck this one, now again I check search, so you can see the package graphics not available. Now you can see the graphics package has been unloaded from this one. Again if I check graphics, the package is back here. Suppose you want to check the like what are the functions available in the packages. Say suppose base package, this one, and now if I click base package, so in the help we have the documentation, and we can check the list of the functions available in this base package. Say absolute, abbreviate, acos. These are the, so you can check all the packages with their list of functions. Now we check the next point. The R is the line interpreted language. What does it mean? It means the R language execute the code line by line. As you can see in the diagram, suppose we have the code from line to line 6. So first of all, it will execute the line 1, then shift to the line 2, and after executing the line 2, then 3, 4 and 5. So sequence is from top to bottom and line wise. This is why it is called the line interpreted language. Now we check in the R. Suppose, say, line 1, then line 2, then line 3 and line 4 and one more line 5. So now how to execute this code? First of all, we check the help. In the run command, we have the run. In this run, we can say run the current line or selection. It means we can execute the code line by line or by selecting the line. So right now our cursor is on the line number 5. So if I check this run, so I get the output only from the line 5. If I take to the line 2, now check, so it is the line 2. Now suppose 1, now say run. So after executing the correct line, the focus moves on the next line. Now the line 1, click, line 2, click, line 3, click, line 4. So this is how we can say the R is the line interpreted language. Suppose we want to execute the whole lines in one go, then select all. So clear this window. Now run. So we have the output from all the lines. Now how to comment the line? Say you can use the hash sign. Say hash, and now we change. This is the comment line. Now select whole and clear this one. Now run. So this is the line. In console we have the output with the source code. So you can see that commented line is not interpreted. So that's why we do not have the result for the line number 2. So this is how we can use the R language with the line interpreter. So guys, this was all about the package in R language. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.